The parliament is set to begin. The land bill war is also set to escalate in the Lok Sabha. Now, the Modi government is facing pressure from both its allies and the opposition. A key meeting is on at the moment between the Parliamentary Affairs Minister Venkaiah Naidu and the other leaders. But will they come to a consensus remains to be seen.
With the budget out of the way, the government is stepping up to get parliamentary approval for crucial ordinances.
The Lok Sabha is all set to discuss the controversial land acquisition bill on Monday, and this discussion, it is estimated, is going to run up to 8 hours. But the BJP finds itself completely isolated on the issue. Not just the opposition, its own allies are resisting the changes that the BJP government wants to make.
With opposition parties rallying against the land ordinance, the government has signalled it's ready to make changes.
We, Prime Minister said clearly, I have said also, we have told many of the parties, if you have any meaningful suggestion, please make the suggestion. We will consider it positively if they are really in the larger interest of the farming community and the country.
But with BJP's allies like the Shiv Sena and Akali Dal also pointing out objections, the Congress is sticking to its original position.
Since beginning we have taken stand that this bill is not in favor of the farmers and not good for the people in general. So it should not be accepted. That is our stand. Shiv Sena and others, their own allies, are also not going to support them. The good sense will prevail on them and they will withdraw the bill.
Yet, for the Modi government, it not only has to contend with the opposition in parliament, but also watch for this man who's planning a protest march in Delhi.
अरे बदलने को उसमें बदलने के लिए बातें नहीं ना, उसको रिटर्न ले लो ना. बदलने की बात क्यों करते हैं? उसमें तो एक भी मुद्दा ऐसा नहीं कि किसान के फेवर में है.
In the Lok Sabha, the government is comfortably placed, but the real challenge for Venkaiah Naidu will be when the land bill reaches the upper house. Bureau Report, Times Now.